My name is Logan Manning, and I am competing in the desktop application program. The task I was presented with in making this program was to make one that could execute the task efficiently and effectively whilst maintaining a simple and user-friendly design. Now, the first step in creating this program was planning. I made myself an acronym, SUPER. The S is for simple. I needed to make it to where the user can come over and know exactly what's going on. I split it into two parts to make it really simple. And then the U in SUPER is the user-friendliness. Again, they need to know exactly what's going on. I have only one button they need to press and then a few fields to fill out, so they're not ever searching for what to do next. They're never confused about what's going on. How it works, it's split into two separate parts. The top is shown here. So it has a few different fields to fill out. It's employee, reviewer, department date, just general information. And then the bottom is actually the characteristics of the employee, like just honesty, productivity, the basic things you'll look for in a future or present employee. Now, I have it on a scale from 1 to 4, and as you enter, as you hit the submit button, it will calculate the total score from what you put in and then compare it to an average score. And it will give them like a score based on that, if they did good or bad. The software I use is Eclipse JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. And it's a kit because I use more than one program actually in it, and I'll get to that in 1 second. Now, Java is a basic environment for coding. It has a workspace in the center where you write all your code. It's a really simple program, but you can add on to it, and that's what I did with Window Builder. This is a plugin that you install. You can get it free from the internet. Down here in this properties panel, right here, is where you can put information that you want to show up on the screen. And it has a graphical user interface over there, which is defined in the properties panel. Now, I use Window Builder Pro mainly as a time-saving tool, because if I were to code this like all by hand, it would take hours just to code, but not including getting all the coding right. So this just generates the code as you enter it into properties panel. It currently works on Windows XP through Windows 8, so fairly versatile. I haven't gotten it on Mac operating systems yet. Now, I had uptimes and downtimes with this program. A few of the good, like the well thought out design, simplicity, user-friendliness, I thought it did okay on those because it's very easy to use. You can go up to it and be like, hey, this is what to do. Click this button and it works. A few problems I ran into. One was the submit button. It's carrying out like 5 tasks at a time. So I did a lot of coding for one button, and then I messed up on some coding, and you have to go back and look and review and see where you messed up. So the export function, you can export what you put in the program to a text document. So on the top where it said employee name or reviewer name, you can press export and it puts it in a form, like a text document, and it'll say reviewer name and whatever you entered. So then reliability. Whenever I made this, I made it on Windows 7. And then I tried it on Windows XP, and it just would not work properly. So you had to go in and make statements that are saying, if this user is running on Windows XP, you should execute this, this line of code, which is how I got it to be more reliable. Are there any questions about my program that I made?
So the different coding functionality that you have to change for different Windows software, Windows 7, Windows 8, etc., that has done on your end.
Yes.
And not tied to each individual supervisor.
Okay, thank you.